Hey, what's up guys, this is KD Cloudy and this is sort of an update video, and I haven't made this kind of a video in a while, about a year. But the reason why I'm making this one right now is because, well, my last couple of videos on the OnePlus 8 Pro gained a lot of traction, and that specific I'm returning the OnePlus 8 Pro video that gained a lot of traction alone, about 50,000 views. That's a lot. But yeah, it wasn't exactly the most positive video I ever made. But either way, some people who were facing issues on the OnePlus 8 Pro came forward, reached out to me. Hopefully, I was able to help them. But yeah, overall, because of those couple of videos, the channel gained almost 600 subscribers in the last 1 month. 600, that's a lot of people. And yeah, because of that, this channel was able to hit the milestone of 5,000 subscribers really quickly. And for that, I really want to thank you guys. That's a milestone. And yeah, it really feels good to be getting all these numbers again. It kind of motivates me to make videos. And yeah, to all of those guys, to all of those 575 people who clicked that subscribe button in the last 1 month, welcome aboard. Thank you so much for subscribing and wanting to watch what I make. And allow me to introduce myself. My name is Kaustubh and I'm just an 18-year-old turning 19 next month. And I know I kind of look older, so that might come as a shocker, but yeah, I'm 18. But yeah, I live in Delhi NCR and I'm a student, of course. And I'm studying computer science and engineering. So yeah, I am an engineer, you could say. So BTech gang, represent in the comment section down below. I'm into the second year of the course. I'm a sophomore, kind of like that word. But yeah, that's like my shorthand bio. That's like the basic stuff you need to know about me. But yeah, as far as my other stuff, like I like making videos, of course. I've been doing this since I was in high school. I grew passion for tech very early on when I got my first computer when I was 8. Then later on, as I got my first smartphone, my first Android device and all this and all that, I tried to tinker with all of my tech. And soon I got into photography and stuff. I got my first camera and then I started making YouTube videos sooner. So yeah, I've been making videos for the past couple of years now. I've met so many talented people in this process, have had like so many opportunities and experiences and gained a ton of knowledge. So that's something I won't be able to, kind of trade for anything else. So yeah, so far it's still pretty fun. And yeah, if you want to follow any of my social media profiles, I'm KD Cloudy everywhere. Just follow me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever. Not Facebook though. I literally don't open Facebook. It's just, no, Facebook is for boomers. As far as my other interests go, I like watching a lot of movies, mostly franchise stuff, Marvel, Star Wars and all that stuff. I'm a nerd. My bio says it all. But I watch a few series once in a while, not that big of a series guy. But yeah, also I like to do programming and sort of into development, software development. So you can check out my GitHub page if you want. I'm still a beginner of sorts, still a rookie, and my GitHub is basically like 2 or 3 projects, nothing a whole lot. Still learning, still honing my skills. So if you're an experienced developer or an engineer, if you have any suggestions or any feedback for me, definitely leave that in the comment section down below. I would highly appreciate it. And as far as what's going on in my life right now, not gonna lie, my life has been pretty boring ever since I lost the OnePlus 8 Pro. Why do I sound like I'm going through a breakup every time I talk about the OnePlus 8 Pro? Never mind. But yeah, my third semester also started online and I'm pretty freaking busy right now. But also I got a couple of new posters. That's a Star Wars one right there. Totally I like movies. But yeah, I got a couple of more which I'll be hanging up soon. And after that, this whole A-roll setup, that wall is going to look much, much better. But yeah, I guess I'm just blabbering for no reason. This would probably do good for a channel trailer. But oh shit, I have a class in 15 minutes. Yeah, I would like to wrap it up and turn it back and ask you guys, why did you subscribe to the channel? I mean, what drew you to this channel, and I mean, what type of content you would like to watch? What are your expectations? How can I improve? All sorts of feedback. Just go ham on the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you and I will be replying to all the comments. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.